And shoot. What you doing, dear?
Every time you always got to figure out how everyone's always connects differently.
Yeah, I know. Where we're going to replace the wiper blades on the little Dodge Dakota.
Alright, let's get this out. Throw that away. That goes in there. That snaps on there. Problem with making them universal is you got to figure out which parts you need, which ones you don't.
And you got to take that yellow strip off before we use it.
Oh yeah.
And then those
Yeah, I
little
know
strips.
when this has got to come off. This pops open. And now, think this needs to get replaced?
Something like that.
And it just slides right up in there. And you gotta make sure it snaps in. Close that. All done. Already used them. We just gotta pull this protective sleeve off.
Voila.
We're done. Not too typical of one. You just got to figure out what parts you need on the universal ones. My glasses back on.